In a world where architecture evolves as rapidly as technology, changing at a pace that's almost unimaginable. A world where the boundaries of design are constantly being pushed, creating structures and spaces that challenge our very understanding of what's possible. Welcome to the future of architecture, where we'll explore a vision that will ignite your imagination, sparking new connections in your mind as you rethink what architecture can be. Let's take a moment to reflect on where we are now. Our world is at a pivotal point. Issues like poverty, overcrowding, and land degradation aren't just isolated problems. They're deeply interconnected crises that threaten our way of life. Yet within these challenges lies the potential for extraordinary innovation. These urgent problems are driving us to fundamentally reconsider how we live, how we build, and how we interact with the world around us. And at the core of this transformation is architecture, an age-old practice that is now being reimagined for the future. The cities of tomorrow won't just be defined by towering structures of concrete and steel. Instead, we'll see a new paradigm take shape, one where architecture is designed to serve everyone and everything, the environment, people, and the economy. Imagine a world where every building, every neighborhood, and every urban space is rooted in sustainability. This is the future we are building towards. A future where architecture is not merely about creating physical structures, but about crafting a holistic experience that enhances life in every aspect. Picture this: buildings that are more than just places to live or work. These structures are integral parts of a larger ecosystem, drawing power from the sun, the wind, and the very elements around them. Solar panels won't be an afterthought, they'll be seamlessly integrated into the fabric of rooftops and facades. Wind turbines will quietly capture the energy of the breeze, powering entire communities, and water, every precious drop, will be treasured, recycled, and reused within a closed-loop system where nothing goes to waste. In this future, architecture and nature will not be in conflict, but in perfect harmony, each enhancing the other. Imagine buildings that breathe, clad in lush vertical gardens that not only provide greenery, but also create habitats for birds, bees, and other wildlife. Picture walls that are alive with plants, purifying the air and reducing our carbon footprint. Rooftops will no longer be barren, they will be transformed into thriving ecosystems with urban farms and greenhouses producing fresh, local food right where it's needed. One of the most remarkable changes will be in how we use space. As urban populations continue to grow, building vertically will not just be an option, it will be essential. Vertical cities will rise, but not as soulless concrete jungles. Instead, they will be living, breathing ecosystems where green spaces are woven throughout. Vertical gardens will cascade down the sides of buildings, turning our cities into vibrant green oases. Rooftop farms will stretch across the skyline, providing fresh produce and reducing our reliance on distant agricultural lands. But this is not just about making our cities more beautiful. It's a smart, efficient way to combat overcrowding while preserving the natural world. By building up instead of out, we can conserve precious land, minimize our environmental impact, and create more space for people without sacrificing the planet. Technology will play a crucial role in shaping this future. Our buildings will no longer be static, they will be dynamic, adapting to the needs of their occupants and the environment. Imagine windows that automatically adjust their tint to block out harsh sunlight, keeping interiors cool and reducing energy consumption. Walls that can shift and reconfigure themselves to optimize airflow, temperature, and even privacy, creating spaces that are as comfortable as they are efficient. This is the future of architecture: innovative, sustainable, and inclusive. A future where we design not just for today, but for generations to come. By rethinking how we build, we can create a world where architecture works in harmony with nature, technology, and humanity, creating spaces that enhance life for everyone.